Okay, so this is our prototype, and this is our start screen. As you can see, we have our title, Java Lesson 1, print statements, our objective, which is very brief, escape from the room, and our instructions, which is find keyboard keys that are scattered around the room, then finish the incomplete code. So now I will click to proceed. Here are the user controls. They're very simple. We have control for open computer, C to pick up an item, and control Q plus escape for quit game. Our arrow keys and mouse are used for movement. So now I will hit start. So you can see that this is a 3D game. I'm looking around, moving with my mouse, and with the arrow keys I am moving around my placement. And so if I want to read on what I have to do again, I can just pull up the help menu. So I'll pull it up with F2. As you can see in the top right corner, there's a green text stating if I need help to press F2. So I'll do that right now. And here we could see the user's control again, in case I have forgotten, and also on the steps I need to complete the level. So you can see the first step is to find and pick up all scattered keyboard keys. Second step is to go to the computer and access it. 3, solve the questions, and then 4, just grab the key and exit through the door. Okay, so let me grab the keys. So here's the key. And you can see as I go over it, it gets highlighted with yellow, and also the keys, there's text that pops up that tells me that that's a key and the letter. So now I pick it up with C, and you can see the status on my task 1 up here in my top left corner changes to 1 out of 3. Before I picked it up, it was 0 out of 3. So now you can see it will change again if I pick this one up. Now it's 2 out of 3. And here's the book. I think I remember seeing something in the F2 menu, and it tells me here that there was indeed a textbook, and then right here in the bottom, the note tells me that there is a textbook that could be helpful when answering the questions. So okay. And you see if I hover over it, it also tells me this is a book and this might help. So I'll pick it up. Okay, so if you look at the bottom right corner, we see a picture of a book. That means I have a book in my inventory. And also on the top right corner is a new status message that's blue that says press F1 to open the book. I think I'll open it later since I don't really need it right now. I have to complete my first task first. So now I'll open this task. I'll pick up this last key. And okay, so you can see that my first task, that my status messages have changed. Now it states as completed. I've picked up all the keys, 3 out of 3. Now on to the task 2. Access the computer and fill out the missing code. Okay, I'll access it. And once I am in range to use the computer, you can see the table turns yellow. And this is also another accessibility feature to let the user know that now you can press Control to access the computer. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. And here I am. My next task is to choose the correct print statement from the drop-down list. Okay. So we have 3 here. And let's say I didn't know what printed statement to choose. So I could just open my book. Oh, okay. It seems like the answer is the second one. But let's say I press the first one. Wrong answer, try again. Okay, so we know it's the second one. Okay, so now let me just close the book. So I have to type in a word in the box, and the word we're looking for starts with the letter H. Well, let's say we type in a random word, hello. Wrong. But you can still see that the output out and right here in the computer is shows. So let's reset it. Okay, so try the word help. Great, good job. Now I have to go get the key, and it reminds me that to exit the computer I just have to press Control. Okay. So now I look for the key. Oh hey, here it is. There's a light highlighting it. Okay, so now I'll pick it up, and now it's also in my lower right corner, telling me that I have a key in my inventory. So this door says needs key to open, so I have a key now, so I just approach it, and I've won the game. So this is our prototype for the first level of our game. Thanks.